This is how I made money today on Nasdaq 100 futures. So today I made around $4,000. I made $4,000. You can see here it shows paper trading here, but you can see realized PNL $4,000. Um, I want to show you my orders, the history, balance history. You can see $2,000, 3,000. This was the only huge loss I had, so I made around 5k. So yeah, but let's go deep into it. So I just use 3 time frames. Let's start from the 4 time frame. So if you look at this pair properly, I'm going to clear out everything for you so you can see it, how I made money. So if you can clearly see, this market is in a downtrend. Simply, you don't have to guess something or complicate it. It's very simple. Higher highs and higher lows. You can clearly see it from here. This is so if we're in a bearish market, we see lower highs and lower lows. So you can see here lower low, lower high, higher high. Then we had what equal lows, and then we had this lower high, and then we had a lower low, equal highs, and then we had lower lows, and then we had a lower high here, and now we are having a lower low. So simple. This is how I analyze my charts. This is how I know my bias that the market is going downwards. So what did I do? So the first thing I'm gonna do is like I will look for the nearest key levels where my price reacted a lot of times. You see here, here, and here, and then price came back and reacted around here. So as simple as it is, there's nothing. You don't have to like look at all those previous price action. Just zoom in. What is happening here? You look for the nearest key levels, then you trade within them. So here is also a key level. I'm gonna be waiting for this market around here, price around there. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'll look for the nearest supply zones. The supply zones here. It's a bearish market. That's the opposite candle before the downward move. So how I sold this, how I made money on this page is one thing. So anytime price, now we're in a bearish market, so right, anytime price is coming back down like this, right, before price will clear this low, this is where I focus on, because the market moves in higher highs and higher lows. We have retracement, we have impulse movement, retracement, impulse movement. So now this is impulsive, this is retracement, this is impulsive. So the impulsive, I wait for a breakout around here, and then I enter for a short position, around here. So I'm going to go, I'm going to show you right now. So this is what I did on the 1 hour time frame. I came here, I used this horizontal line here. I put it around here, this candle. So the market was here. Also, we also have like a supply zone here. We have a supply zone here. So I went to the 15-minute time frame. So what I do in 15-minute time frame is just entry. I use candlesticks to enter my trade. So when the breakout happened around here, around this level, my focus was around there. So I knew market was not gonna go back up because it was in an impulse movement. I told you guys, anytime the market goes up, it retraces either bullish or bullish. So the market only moves in three ways. It either goes up or consolidates sideways or then retreats back down. You can see simple. If you focus on this thing, you'll make more money in trading. People, the reason why people focus on smart money is because it looks very, very promising, and it is not. First of all, it's complicated and it won't just pay you like that. The simplest thing that will make you money in trading is the simplest strategy. So, yeah. So what I did was I just entered for my short position on this candle. My stop loss, my stop loss was here, around something like here, and then I closed my trade around here. So initially, you can see it's a 1 to 2 trade, made around $2,800 on this trade. So you can literally see. So what I do is I target the next level, but just like that, I close the trade. Close the trade because I was doing something, and if I'm not on the, to me, I use candlesticks for my exit and entry, for my entry and exit, because candlesticks are the language of the market. Sometimes when you see a pin bar at a key level, it matters a lot. Like, let me show you. You can see this evening star here. This evening star here. It's at the key level. So it's the reason why it worked, it causes market to drop was because it's at a key level and the market is what is very, you can see the factor of confluence is a lot. So that is why the trade played out. That was how I made the money. So simple as it is. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to do much more better videos with much more um,